Accountant.
Accountant.
A person that works with the money and accounts of a company.
After school, he decided to be a chartered accountant.
Actor or actress.
Actor or actress.
A person that acts in a play or a movie.
My sister went to drama school to become an actress.
Architect.
Architect.
A person that designs building and houses.
If I was an architect, I'd redesign this house.
Astronomer.
Astronomer.
A person who studies the stars and the universe.
The astronomer spent the night observing the stars through his powerful telescope.
Athlete.
Athlete.
A person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise.
The athlete trained rigorously every day to prepare for the upcoming marathon.
Author.
Author.
They write books or novels.
The author signed copies of her latest novel at the book launch event.
Baker.
Baker.
They make bread and cakes and normally work in a bakery.
The baker woke up early to prepare fresh bread and pastries for the morning customers.
Bricklayer.
Bricklayer.
A person that helps to build houses using bricks.
The bricklayer meticulously aligned each brick to construct the new garden wall. Butcher.
A person that works with meat. They cut the meat and sell it in their shop.
The butcher skillfully cut the meat and displayed it neatly in the shop window. Carpenter.
A person that makes things from wood including houses and furniture.
The carpenter crafted a beautiful oak table for the dining room.
Chef.
Chef.
A person that prepared food for others, often in a restaurant or cafe.
The chef prepared a gourmet meal that delighted all the guests at the restaurant.
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
A person that cleans an area or place.
The cleaner ensured that every office was spotless and ready for the next day. Driver.
A person that drives cars.
The driver navigated through heavy traffic to deliver the package on time.
Dentist.
Dentist.
A person that can fix problems you have with your teeth.
The dentist advised the patient on proper dental hygiene after filling the cavity.
Designer.
Designer.
A person who has the job of designing things.
The designer sketched out the plans for a new fashion collection.
Doctor.
Doctor.
A person you go to see when you are ill or have some type of health problem.
The doctor diagnosed the patient with a common cold and prescribed medication.
Electrician.
Electrician.
A person that works with electric circuits.
The electrician repaired the faulty wiring in the old house to ensure it was safe.
Engineer.
Engineer.
A person who develops solutions to technical problems. They sometimes design, build, or maintain engines, machines, structures, or public works.
The engineer developed a new software application that improved data management.
Factory worker.
Factory worker.
A person that works in a factory.
The factory worker operated the assembly line machine with precision and care.
Farmer.
Farmer.
A person that works on a farm, usually with animals.
The farmer harvested the cornfields just in time for the autumn festival.
Fireman or firefighter.
Fireman or firefighter.
A person that puts out fires.
The fireman bravely entered the burning building to rescue the trapped family.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
A person that catches fish.
The fisherman cast his nets early in the morning, hoping for a bountiful catch.
Florist.
Florist.
A person that works with flowers.
The florist arranged a stunning bouquet of roses for the wedding ceremony.
Gamer.
Gamer.
A gamer is someone who plays interactive games, either video games, tabletop role-playing games, skill-based card games, or any combination thereof.
The gamer played his favorite video game all weekend to be ready for a new tournament.
Gardener.
Gardener.
A person that keeps gardens clean and tidy. They take care of the plants in the garden.
The gardener pruned the rose bushes and planted new seeds for the spring bloom.
Hairdresser or barber.
Hairdresser or barber.
They cut your hair or give it a new style.
The barber gave his customer a stylish haircut and a close shave.
Journalist.
Journalist.
A person that makes new reports in writing or through television.
The journalist wrote an investigative piece that uncovered political corruption.
Judge.
Judge.
A qualified person that decides cases in a law court.
The judge listened to the arguments from both sides before delivering the verdict.
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
A person that defends people in court and gives legal advice.
The lawyer presented a compelling case to defend her client in court.
Lecturer.
Lecturer.
A person that gives lectures, usually in a university.
The lecturer engaged the students with an insightful discussion on modern literature.
Librarian.
Librarian.
A person that works in a library.
The librarian helped a patron find the resources needed for their research project.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
A person that saves lives where people swim at a beach or swimming pool.
The lifeguard kept a vigilant watch over the swimmers to ensure their safety.
Mechanic.
Mechanic.
A person that repairs machines, especially car motors.
The mechanic quickly identified the problem and repaired the car's engine.
Model.
Model.
A person that works in fashion, modeling clothes and accessories.
The model walked down the runway, showcasing the latest fashion trends.
Magician.
Magician.
A magician is a performer who does tricks for entertainment.
The magician pulled a rabbit out of a hat.
Musician.
Musician.
Someone who is skilled in playing music, usually as a job.
Our next act is a very talented young musician.
Newsreader.
Newsreader.
A person that reads the news, normally on television.
The newsreader delivered the evening news with clarity and professionalism.
Nurse.
Nurse.
A person trained to help a doctor look after the sick or injured.
The nurse provided compassionate care to the patients in the hospital.
Optician.
Optician.
A person that checks your eyes and try and correct any problems with your sight.
The optician helped the customer choose a new pair of stylish glasses.
Painter.
Painter.
A person that paints pictures or the interior and exterior of buildings.
The painter created a beautiful landscape that captured the essence of the countryside.
Pharmacist.
Pharmacist.
A qualified person that works with and dispenses medicine.
The pharmacist explained the proper dosage and potential side effects of the medication.
Photographer.
Photographer.
A person that takes photos.
The photographer captured stunning images of the sunset over the mountains.
Pilot.
Pilot.
A person who flies a plane.
The pilot expertly navigated the plane through turbulent weather conditions.
Programmer.
Programmer.
A computer programmer is a person who makes computer programs using a programming language.
The programmer wrote efficient code to improve the software's performance.
Plumber.
Plumber.
A person that repairs your water systems or pipes.
The plumber fixed the leaking pipe and ensured there were no more drips.
Politician.
Politician.
A person who works in politics.
The politician campaigned tirelessly to win the support of the voters.
Policeman.
Policeman.
A member of the police force. They prevent crime.
The policeman patrolled the streets to maintain law and order in the community.
Postman.
Postman.
A person that delivers mail to your house.
The postman delivered the mail promptly, even on rainy days.
Real estate agent.
Real estate agent.
A person that makes money from selling land for development.
The real estate agent showed the couple several houses until they found their dream home.
Receptionist.
Receptionist.
A person that is at the reception of a company.
The receptionist greeted visitors with a warm smile and directed them to the appropriate office.
Sailor.
Sailor.
Someone who works on a boat or ship either for fun, a job, or while serving in the Navy.
The sailor guided the ship safely through the storm.
Security guard.
Security guard.
A person employed to protect a building against intruders or damage.
They were summarily ejected by the security guard.
Scientist.
Scientist.
A person that works in the science industry.
The scientist conducted experiments to find a cure for the disease.
Soldier.
Soldier.
A person who works for the army.
The soldier demonstrated remarkable bravery during the mission.
Singer.
Singer.
A person who sings, especially professionally.
His mother was a singer.
Tailor.
Tailor.
A person that makes clothes for others, many times producing exclusive items of clothing.
The tailor adjusted the suit to ensure it fit perfectly for the wedding.
Teacher.
Teacher.
A person that passes knowledge to students, usually at school.
The teacher inspired her students to love learning and think critically.
Trader.
Trader.
A trader is a person who either buys goods and resells them, like a person who buys and sells stocks and bonds.
The trader analyzed market trends to make profitable investments.
Translator.
Translator.
A person that translates from one language to another.
The translator converted the document from Spanish to English with great accuracy.
Veterinary doctor. A qualified person that looks after sick animals.
The veterinary doctor treated the injured dog and provided a recovery plan.
Waiter or waitress.
Waiter or waitress.
A person that works in a food outlet, looking after customers and serving food.
The waiter took the customers' orders and served their meals with a friendly attitude.